with the wires can cause animals that come into direct contact with these devices to be electrocuted. Small animals, such as mice or snakes, can get under electrical devices and get into contact with the wires and be electrocuted. Heart rhythm disorders. Electric current can affect the heartbeat and cause rhythm disorders. Paralysis. The damage to the nervous system caused by electric current can lead to conditions such as paralysis. Many animal species are threatened by habitat loss, hunting, climate change, etc. Therefore, animal protection is critical to the sustainability of ecosystems. Protecting natural habitats, limiting hunting, and supporting biodiversity are part of these efforts. Animals are the most important elements that make up the diversity and beauty of life on Earth. Their existence is essential for the healthy functioning of ecosystems. Rapid death. Severe electric currents can cause the animal to die. Animals are a group of organisms that exist in nature and include millions of different species. Animals are an important part of ecosystems on Earth and live in various habitats, climates, and geographical regions. Animals are an important part of ecosystems on Earth and live in various habitats, climates, and geographical regions. Animals with various characteristics show genetic, biological, and ecological diversity.